Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today we will be making Ambade ki Bhaji and Gosht. This is a Hyderabadi dish. This Ambade ki Bhaji is Roselle Hibiscus. We use a lot over here Roselle Hibiscus, but not the leaves. We always make jelly and jam and juice with the not with the leaves. We will make with the calasses, like a little seed pods. Makes the red seed pods. Always the juice and everything become red. So this has had a lot of health benefits. One thing is raises your good cholesterol HDL and lowers your bad cholesterol LDL, and also it lowers your blood pressure, and it's good for a lot of different health benefits. Urinary tract infection, they drink a lot of juice for the urinary tract infection. There's a lot of research is done on these leaves, on this plant actually, and a lot of people are aware of it right now. They're eating in North America. A lot of my friends grows those, and they're all using the seed pods, not the leaves. So okay, we are gonna use the leaves today and make some dish with it. We cook this in Hyderabad. My mom used to cook this lot, so I'm making as my mom's style. So this is my mama's recipe, so I'm following my mom's recipe and making this dish. So it's very tasty. If you like a little bit sour, these leaves are a little bit sour. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this dish. We have some leaves, roselle leaves. Like I always says, always look back of the leaves when you're washing the leaves. Sometimes they have a small spider webs or maybe little spider eggs or something. So be careful, and you always wash any leaves in the spinach or any kind of leafy vegetables, lettuce, anything. And I'm using a couple of green peppers, and we're gonna put all these two things with the salt and boil it. And for the gravy, we are gonna have some mutton over here. I have 1 pound of mutton, and I am using some chana dal chickpeas, split chickpeas soaked in the water, so it breaks. So a lot of people, that's optional actually, a lot of people don't use that. I'm using it, so I like it. My mom used to use it. And 1 large onion, and some garlic and ginger paste, 1 spoon, and 1 spoon of salt or salt to taste, and red pepper, because I'm using some green peppers in there, so I'm just using a little bit of red pepper, half a spoon. And I have a 1/4 spoon of haldi, turmeric, and 1 spoon of dhania, coriander powder. That's it. Only 4 spices goes in there, 4 or 5 spices. So let's go start making it. First we are gonna go ahead and boil this in a separate dish, then we're gonna start making the other dish. Okay, we'll add this pepper and the leaves, rosella leaves, to the pan, the pot, and add a little bit of water and a little bit of salt. I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt because I'm going to put the salt in the meat too. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of water. And once you cook, it's going to be like a very little, not too much. Okay, I'm going to move this one to another stove, and we'll cook meat over here in this pan. Okay, I'm gonna move to the other stove, and I will put this over here, this pot. Okay friends, our oil is hot, so we're gonna add, I added like 2 spoons of oil, and I'm gonna add some onions, and we're gonna saute the onions until it gets softer. Okay guys, our onions are done, so that's all we wanted. We're going to add all the spices in there. Garlic and ginger paste. Sauteed for a few minutes. Then we're going to add our meat. Okay, we'll add meat. Okay. In Telugu, it's called Gongura. Ambade ki bhaji, Roselle Hibiscus, and Telugu, and they're called Gongura. You can even make dal with it. Next time I'm going to give the recipe for dal. They just started coming in my garden, so I don't have that many to show both of them. Maybe in a couple of weeks I'm going to show you how to make dal with Ambade ki bhaji dal. That's also very good, tastes good. Gongura pachadi, right? Telugu speaking friends, Gongura pachadi. Okay, we'll make Gongura pachadi next. Okay, I'm gonna wait the meat for the meat to tender, then we'll come back. Okay guys, the meat is it's 70% done. So we're gonna add this chana dal. Like I said, it's optional. If you want it, you can add it. But I like the taste of it. My mom used to add it, so I like to add some chana dal. This depends on you. If you like it, you can add it. Otherwise, you don't have to. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook for a few minutes, maybe 10 more minutes. Until then, we are gonna go ahead and grind this leaves, bhaji, Ambade ki bhaji, Gongura. So I'm going to grind this with my hand blender. Okay, we're gonna add it to the meat after 10 minutes. Okay friends, our meat is ready. Our dal is cooked. Now we can add Ambade ki bhaji, the Roselle Hibiscus leaves, Gongura leaves, whatever you call. So many languages. We'll cover it and let it cook for 10-15 minutes more, then we'll be done. Okay friends, Ambade ki bhaji with the mutton. This is ready. Okay, if you're visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe or share with your family. Okay, bye. See you next video.